3 o'clock in the morning.
Got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one.
And our ceiling is now leaking from 3 holes. But thankfully, I am a genius. I saw this thing. Well, I thought about it and then I saw it online and it confirmed my theory. And basically, if you have a hole in your sink that's leaking and it makes you want to murder everybody, what you do is you get a little nail and you tie a piece of string or yarn to it.
And it's obnoxiously long because...
I don't know why I made it so long. I'm sorry.
It's a little long.
I think I just wanted
Do you have
to
any yarn?
get string.
Do I have any yarn left?
Yeah, and then you put it in the hole where it leaks. And then what happens is that this eventually will get saturated with water. And then the water...
It'll drive your wife crazy.
Yeah. See, now the water, instead of dripping, if you can see, it'll just nicely stream completely down.
Are you making a loom out of the ceiling?
Yes, I'm making ceiling loom. This is like those guidelines, you know, like, and this is where we have the leaks. It's like an art installation.
Oh my gosh. Well, it might as well be modern art. That is ridiculous. Yeah. I've been awake since, actually, I haven't slept yet. 3 o'clock in the morning, I haven't slept yet. Because of this. It's insane.
Yeah.
And I can't, sorry if I'm not holding the camera properly. I can't see. I'm blind without my contacts in, so.
What?
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
finally this is dripping though. I
I
mean, that's...
know, it's like, because it's been raining for hours.
Yeah, I know.
Oh my gosh, this is insane. I cannot believe this. Oh, my hand got wet. There's like water dripped on me or something. Oh my gosh. Lucy's snoozing away though. That's good. She's being cute. I guess we have a nice water feature. We have a waterfall in our bedroom. It's very nice. Everyone should try it. Actually, the sound that it makes, it reminds me of Chinese water torture. Because it's just like drip, 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 drip. For anyone who is looking for an apartment to live in, I would recommend not moving here. Houston is a wonderful area. Where we live is not so much.
Yeah, really is terrible.
Luckily, we haven't had a lot go wrong, but if anything does go wrong, nobody cares and no one fixes anything, so.
Yeah.
Because last time when they came over to look at it, they just stabbed another hole in the ceiling. Like, that's going to help anything. It was to help it drain, I think, but then once it drains, you have to come back and fix it, and they never did. I thought they'd put a tarp over it, because that's what I would have done. I would have put a tarp over the ceiling, like on the actual roof, and then once everything was dried, I would have come back and fixed it. But, you know, I don't know. I'm not a maintenance man, unfortunately. So we made some soup. It's pretty much just like a dump soup. We pretty much just used like random things we had in our pantry, including some like rice seasoning packet.
Paella seasoning.
Yeah. Paella? Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and then sweet potatoes, and there's some corn and some celery and carrots, tomato paste, garlic, and I think that's about it. But I'm kind of scared because I don't know what it's going to taste like. Oh, and garbanzo beans too.
You put those on everything though.
Huh?
So it smells really fishy, obviously, because paella is supposed to be for seafood. We don't have any seafood in it other than like what was in the seasoning packet. So we hope it doesn't taste disgusting.
Yeah. I think I might put a little bit of sour cream on top.
To mask the flavor.
Yeah. No, I don't know. I mean, I'm sure it's really good, but I'm scared.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Well,
Let's see.
the best thing we could do is try it, and then if it's terrible, then you have to just eat terrible soup for the next couple of days.
Yeah, well, yeah, because look how much soup that is. It's like enough to feed an army. And I wanted to freeze it if it is good. But we'll see. I don't know.
So I just wanted to say, the soup is actually really, really good. We were both pleasantly surprised. So it was a success. So
Yeah.
definitely try it. It kind of tastes like a...
Clam chowder.
Yeah, like a clam chowder. So it's pretty delicious. And I am actually eating it.
And I would add this the sweet potato.
Yes, definitely sweet potato. Because, yeah, it's neat. It's great flavor.
You want carrot? Do you want a carrot? Is Daddy getting you a carrot?
Okay, well, I guess I gotta get her a carrot.
She was like lifting her head up, like, is what? I want a carrot.
You trying to get underneath? Or... Is that what you want?
Yep.
Weirdo. Weirdo.
Aww. Lucy. Lucy. Hi.
Mother Lucisa.
You're so cute. Hi.
You ready?
Yeah.
That's a Jasmine. So listen. Got the whole family in the bed this morning.
So I was just sitting here editing the vlog. It's obviously the next day, but we wanted to end the vlog properly. So yeah, we wanted to thank you guys for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. It was pretty freaking crazy yesterday, not gonna lie. It was
a lot happened that was unexpected.
pretty bad day. Yeah, but today was better. So look forward to watching that, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Adamani.
Adamani.